everyone, this is Leona from SCMP Style. This is Lean and Dusty from our team. Today we're very excited to talk about fashion's biggest trend, sneakers. Not very long time ago, these pairs are just reserved for the running tracks and fields. But today, every big fashion brand are tapping into this very lucrative and very trendy field. So let's start to talk about one of the biggest brand representing sneakers, which is Balenciaga. So guys, how do you like what's presented in front of you?
Is it supposed to be this dirty?
Yeah, that's on purpose. These are the bestseller of this brand and sneakers overall. This is Balenciaga Triple S.
And there's like a long waiting list here as
Yep.
well. So you either love it or hate it because you know you get very divided sort of opinions about it.
Exactly.
But you see all the celebrities wearing them, like Rita Ora wore it, Marc Jacobs wore it.
Yep.
You know, I think that's quite wearable, to be honest. What do you think? Would you wear that?
No. I mean,
Not at all.
It's distinctive.
It's a no for Dusty.
It's distinctive, but I don't think I've got the swag to pull it off. And what do the numbers on the front mean?
It means the size.
Very practical. Thought of everything.
Yeah.
No. And it's actually quite it's quite substantial.
Yeah.
You know, it's quite heavy. I'm just wondering how it'll be like if you go through the immigration and they ask you to take it off. You know,
That's true.
like I'm in love with these. I actually love it.
Yeah.
Tell us more, Leona. Tell us
The
more.
next brand is absolutely a sensation. This is called Louis Vuitton Archlight, and as you can see, you've got different colors, different patterns, and this has a very architectural look, so it's quite like a fashion staple for a very simple outfit.
I like these a
Oh my
lot.
God, yeah?
I think it's a
These
big
are...
You
step
like it?
up from the last pair.
Yeah?
I mean, I like the kind of, Back to the Future kind of
high
Velcro
top
strip.
as well.
Yeah.
Come on.
I don't know how it works.
Okay, so
Exactly.
this pair is absolutely something worth collecting. This is from Virgil Abloh's debut of Louis Vuitton menswear. He had his first show for Louis Vuitton in 2018 for the 2019 Spring-Summer collection. These are absolutely sold out before it lands in the store. These are handwritten by Virgil himself, and there are a few touches of the brands. These are the monogram flowers. These are LV details. By the way, this 4A, do you know what it means?
Tell us.
This actually is the birth date of Louis Vuitton, the brand, 1854, which is the year Louis Vuitton was founded.
Ooh. So
Next brand,
this is
Gucci.
where that pair I lost 20 years ago went.
It's called
Yeah.
Dad shoes, anyways.
Dad shoes. Well, they look old.
They do look a little bit tattered.
Gucci's now under Alexander McCallie, and he is quite quirky. He is very visionary, and his designs are kind of out of this world. So look at these lips.
Yeah. Is this something you would wear, Dusty?
This is a men's pair. This is a women's pair, by the way.
Thank God. Yeah, I mean, I think it'll make me look cheap, actually, given how like dirty they are. But yeah, not too far out. I could see myself in them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Smell it. Smell the taste of money.
Yeah, it's not there. I'm not getting it.
Well, if that's not getting you there, what about this one? Look at this.
Yeah.
It's a heavyweight. Goes down with a thud. Mic drop. Very
I
elaborate.
like this pair.
Baroque style.
In your opinion.
I actually quite like it too. Yeah.
I like this pair.
What about these ones? Can we actually detach it? Or?
Yeah, this is removable.
Oh.
So this is a custom-made strap. Take them off, and you can get a simpler pair.
Yeah.
So these are multicolor metallic leather, and it's quite glamorous to me.
With these, you can actually wear it to like a dinner date, to be honest. I might actually venture it out.
Come on.
What do you think?
Why not?
What if a girl turns up in these for a date with you?
I think they got dressed in the dark.
I quite like this pair. I would definitely vote for that.
Yeah, I would say yes to it, to be honest.
Yeah.
Sorry, it's a no here.
Fashion today is so much about self-expression, so you don't really have to care about what people say. If you like them, then go for it. Wear it to a date.
To a
Do
date?
whatever you want, basically.
Yes.
No.
We're just gonna ignore Dusty.
Oh, look
Right.
at these bad
Next
boys.
one. This is a Versace. This is called a chain reaction.
It brings to mind Captain America, actually.
This is for men. This is for
Oh.
women, by the way. I mean, you can
Oh,
wear
I
it.
actually quite like this one.
You do?
I don't know.
Yeah. This is braille for the word love. It wants to express that love's blindness.
Is this another one where like you'd have to be blind to want to wear these?
No,
That
that's
the
not what
hint?
it means. Actually, this is a quite popular pair among like celebrities and Korean K-pop stars. Another good thing about sneakers is today it's very gender fluid. So you don't have to say this is for men, this is for women. So if you like this white one, go for it. Just find your size.
I can literally share it with a girlfriend if she has a pair of Versace. So yeah,
Oh.
do these get a yes from both of us, I suppose?
Yeah.
What about for this pair?
You want to say
Yeah.
yes to it?
Like I
Yeah,
like the
yeah.
simplicity of it
I agree.
and the
yeah.
lightweight.
I agree.
Cool.
Yeah.
The man whose namesake for stilettos, high heels, not comfortable, that can possibly kill an enemy. So,
Right now, he's come up with Snickers as well.
wow, so bling.
Guess
From
a
the-
no from Dusty.
They look like something from the set of Hellraiser.
There's no specific instructions say these are only for women, these are only for men. So you can wear this red color. This is quite a fashion kind of statement.
You're supposed to put them on. You can't like touch them.
Because these are like soft sneakers, you just slip them.
Oh.
Well, I want to see Dusty wear that. We've looked at all the Snickers, and I think we have made our decision. So, Dusty, would you like to tell us which one is your favorite?
The high top,
Yeah.
definitely better than all the others, especially the like Infinity Stone one over here.
I think I'm gonna choose this Gucci. And I get two ways of wearing them, okay?
Okay.
I get the one with the crystals and the one I can just take them off and I can wear it with a little bit like flashy clothes. And if I'm wearing simple, just jeans, I can just put this on and then, yeah, ready to go.
I'm gonna give this my vote because I can totally see myself rocking it in like a skirt, like a side slit skirt, or even like in jeans, like skinny jeans. I can see myself running around everywhere with this because it's so light as well.
Yeah,
So
I
I
love the
really love
pattern.
it. I love the pattern. I think it goes with everything. So what do you guys think? Leave your comments at the bottom and then tell us which one would you be picking and why, basically. Yeah. Yeah. All right, see you next time. Bye, guys.